Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install document uploads for visa disputes with your bank step by step clearly. To begin the installation process for document uploads regarding visa disputes with your bank, start by visiting your bank's official website. Locate the customer service or support section of the website. Look for the option related to disputes or claims. Click on the link to access the dispute management section. You may be required to log in to your online banking account. Enter your login credentials, including your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the disputes or claims area again. Identify the specific dispute for which you need to upload documents. Click on the dispute to open the detailed view. Look for the Upload Documents or similar option. Select this option to begin the document upload process. You will be prompted to choose files from your device. Select the relevant documents that you wish to upload. Make sure the files meet the required format and size specifications. After selecting the documents, review them to ensure they are correct. Click on the Upload button to submit your documents. Wait for a confirmation message that your documents have been successfully uploaded. If needed, take note of any reference number provided for your dispute. If you encounter any issues during the upload, check for troubleshooting tips on the website. You may also contact customer support for further assistance. Once your documents are uploaded, monitor your dispute status regularly through the online portal. This ensures you remain informed about any updates or required actions. Finally, keep copies of all uploaded documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.